Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing really easy bails for resin earrings. I've been asked by a local shop here in town. She wants all my resin jewelry, she wants my resin decor, and I'm really excited to say that I'm going to do it. I'm going to bring it all in, and in agreeing to this, I realized that I wanted to come up with a really nice, fast and easy way to do these bails for my resin jewelry. If you have like an Etsy shop or a web page or anything like that where you need to do a multiple of, like, say, earrings or bracelets or whatever kind of jewelry, it's just nice to have something to fall back on that's easy to make, elegant to look at, and I think I've come up with a really nice simple design that I think you all will enjoy. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So I'm really excited. I have been asked by a local shop owner if I could bring a lot of my resin jewelry and resin products into her store and become her first vendor. So I've been coming up with these quick, beautiful projects, and I just wanted to show you how I made the bails for the earrings that I'm going to bring in, because I want to bring in several dozen pairs so that she has quite a bit to choose from. And to do that, I wanted to make quick and easy bails for the earrings, but also pretty. I wanted them to be pretty, easy, simple to make, and I wanted to share with you, because if you make a lot of like earrings and jewelry and you need bail ideas, I know I've done some bail ideas for pendants, but these ones here are going to be for earrings specifically. For the actual bail on the resin, this is 22 gauge silver plated wire by Parawire. I buy all my wire from Parawire. I've used this wire for a lot of my own jewelry that I make, and 8-9 years later it's still not tarnished. So I really do like this wire. I'm only cutting about a 3-inch piece. You can do more if you want, you don't have to. And it's very simple. So I take a pair of round nose pliers and I'm going to make a little loop at the end of this wire. And that's what we have there. Then I'm going to take my nylon jaw pliers, because I don't want to, damage the wire or scratch the wire. And I'm just going to make a loop like that. Then I'm going to take flat nose pliers. I'm going to hold that little loop and bend the bail up, or bend the wire up so that it looks like that. And then I'm going to take those same flat nose pliers, hold the little loop that you just made by where you bent it, like that. And then I'm just going to bend it over. And this is what we have. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to put it in here, in the hole. Now I did drill little holes in here where I wanted the wire to be. So basically this is what it is going to look like. Then you take your wire and you bend it up like that. I'm going to hold it where I want it. So I'm going to hold it really tight where the loop is on the front. And I'm going to take a bail making pliers, and I'm taking this, I'm going to take this size here. So that's a third size up, this one here. And I'm just going to hold it like that and bend it around, because that's what size I actually want it to be. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take that same wire and you're just going to just shimmy it underneath that loop. Hold everything in place as you move the wire and pull it up. So I probably cut a little bit too much wire, I can see. So I'm going to cut about a 1/4 of an inch I don't want the loop to be too big. And then I'm just going to take my round nose pliers, and I'm going to do another little loop on the top. I don't know if you guys can hear, but it is so windy out here right now. And then I'm going to play with it a little bit, straighten out that little loop so it sits to the front. And there you have a cute little bail for your earring. I want to add a bead, so I am going to add a bead. This time I'm going to be using 28, so this is 26 gauge wire. So I'm going to cut about the same amount, 3-inch piece off of there. And I'm going to take the smallest part of my round nose pliers and just try to go to the middle as best I can. And I'm going to squeeze them together to make a little loop there at the top. And I'm going to put it through that bail. And I'm going to string my bead through there. The reason I'm using the 26 gauge is because these beads, they have a pretty small hole. You need to use a smaller gauge wire for that. And if you've watched my channel long enough, you will know that I have notches put into my round nose pliers so I can always keep the same sizes when I'm doing, especially earrings. So I'm using the second one from the smallest. And as always, we're going to make our little loop on the top. And I'm going to go around here probably twice. I think I'll just do twice. And trim the excess. And take a pair of chain nose pliers, and I am going to just get those ends hidden inside there. I'm going to take my ear wire. Now these ones are stainless steel ear wires. If you want to keep your costs down, especially when you're, you want to put some of this stuff in your store, stainless steel is really good. One, it doesn't affect people's ears. I have used my mom as a test rat, a guinea pig, because she has a problem with her ears. She's very, very sensitive to, wire and costume jewelry that may not be using like sterling silver or gold. And these work beautifully, and they come in all beautiful shapes and sizes. I love this one here. It's very dainty. I will leave a link to everything that I used in the description. But there it is. Look at how cute that is, and it took me less than, 5 minutes to make that. So I just wanted to say, if you don't have a pair of pliers like this so that you can keep the bail the same, you can use a pencil, you can use a crochet hook. You don't necessarily have to have this here, just something that you're gonna, when you do the bail, that it stays the same size for both earrings. I'm really particular in trying to keep, especially earrings, anything I do to one, I want it to be done to the other pretty much exactly the same. Look at how cute they turned out. Oh my goodness, I love these. They like to move around a lot. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please let me know if you try this. I hope you do try it because it is very, very easy. Even if you don't work with wire very often, this is a very simple and easy bail to make for pendants or earrings or whatever you make. You guys have a great day, and I would love to see you back here for my next video. Bye!